Hey everyone, Sean Taggy here. Today I'm going to be going over some disadvantages to turnkey real estate investing. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so I want to get real today in this video and show you actually there are disadvantages to investing in turnkey real estate, okay? So first off, if you have time, if you have energy and experience and also some risk tolerance here, it is disadvantageous to invest turnkey real estate investing. Let me explain why. You could go build a big team of some lenders, some deal finders, agents, and contractors and a property manager, and go and buy a house at a discounted value, fix it up just like we do, and then rent it out and have a property management company manage it for you. And you could probably build up more equity than what you would buying it turnkey. Okay, so you might be able to do it better yourself. You can get a better deal on your own and do it by yourself. So DIY. You could fix a property up in your own local market and fix it up on your own. You could save a lot on the renovation cost there. Okay, so those are some disadvantages to turnkey real estate investing. You can get more equity on your own. Now, but that's what I'm saying is like, we're not looking for those types of people to invest with us. We actually would strongly advise against it. If you have your experience and time and knowledge to be able to do this and the risk tolerance, go off and do it on yourself and find a better deal than us. You probably could buy it and get a little bit more equity than us. A counter to that though is that, you're taking on more risk. So that is a disadvantage. That is kind of an advantage of turnkey, but also a disadvantage. So things like that, okay? Another advantage is, it will take off. You will lose some control. So you're going to lose some control here. So when you invest in turnkey, you do lose some control in terms of picking out an asset at a discounted price. And also you're handing off the management to hopefully the in-house management company. So you're losing control on deciding on the tenant, on picking out an asset that you can stabilize and increase the value on it, hence getting a better deal. So if you are that person that wants control over all your real estate investments, wants to know about the tenant and their life and how many dogs and cats they have, turnkey real estate investing is probably not for you. That you'd probably be better off managing it yourself in your own market or something like that, or creating your own company or something like that, or investing in something a little more boring, a little more stable, okay? Another disadvantage of turnkey real estate investing, it's not get rich quick. Okay, so you've seen all those flipping shows on HGTV where a guy made like $40,000 from flipping a house. Okay, these are not house flips, okay? So it's not flipping. Flipping is where you go and buy a house and sell it in 6 months to a year and make a big payday check, a big lick. This is more like a long-term 5-year at least, I would say, suggestion to 10-year to 20, 30-year hold. So it's not a real big get-rich-quick scheme here, and it's not flipping. It's not really that big, exciting thing on, that you've seen on those TV shows. This is more like you're buying an asset that is already stabilized, ready to go, fixed up for the long term, kind of tenant proof, and you're just going to be collecting little rent checks, just little streams of income every month across your several properties you have. But over time, people start building up and they collect that cash flow every month and they build up a little bit of equity every month and year, and they get a little bit of mortgage pay down on their property and also some tax advantages, and then they snowball that when they get 2 properties, it doubles, and 3, and then they take all that cash flow and keep reinvesting it to buy another property and saving up from their job. So disadvantage is it's not as flipping, it's not exciting. Okay, another disadvantage, it is a little bit more boring from these flipping shows and other things like that. You're just buying someone, and we've really taken on all the risks. All the excitement is from us. We're buying a house and we open up a wall and there's termites in there. We're like, oh great, we got to go fix that. Where here, you're buying a house that's already in really good shape and ready to go. So you're kind of just like, all right, well, let's collect those rent checks. You will be having someone else manage for you, which is kind of already mentioned here. So someone else manage. because typically you'll be out of state, you won't be able to manage it yourself. So you're putting that into someone else's hand. That is a disadvantage if you were managing your own or had someone that you really knew managing it for you. So he's kind of just laying out some things there for you. I just want to be transparent with you on everything that we have going on, but also there are disadvantages to real estate investing, especially with turnkeys buying from us. So just some things for you to consider. Of course, there are great advantages and other awesome things if that is for you, if your story is where you want to kind of be boring, not get rich quick scheme, kind of just build up assets over time. If you are okay with someone else managing the property for you and picking out the asset and helping you select a market for you, if you're looking to like not have hands-on with it, and if you're looking for an okay deal, not like the greatest deal, but I think our deals are actually really great deals comparing to the stock market, but other real estate, you might get a better deal doing it yourself. So there you go, things to consider. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be putting out more great videos for you every week. Have a good one.